In today's class, we will study common use software in statistics. That is used. This topic is present in the BMS third phase syllabus. In the third phase, the research methodology and statistic subject. The topic is 21 topic 21st, that is commonly used statistical software. Now these are the software we are using while we are doing the research as well as we are preparing our data, the statistical data. The first topic will study the introduction about the commonly used statistical softwares. What is here? The statistical softwares are the computer programs used for data entry, management, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of research data. They improve the accuracy and speed and reliability of statistical analysis in medical field as well as in the Ayurvedic research. Means the whenever we are doing the research, these statistical software we are using for the data collections purpose, data entry, as well as for the managing the data, the crude data, bulk data is all for managing and analyzing what is that meaning and interpreting the final result, as well as the presentation in the graph form as well as in the chart form. We are presenting by using these software. And the main thing is the for accurate, because the manually if you handles the thousands of patients data, it is very difficult. This is for the accuracy as well as for the increasing speed and trustable the data. These software, that is reliability of these, for that the statistical software we are using. Now the common software, what are the common software nowadays we are using for the medical field in the research as well as the statistic, that we'll study one by one. The first most common software is the Microsoft Excel. It is a very common software that easily available. That is the basic statistical calculation. This Microsoft Excel is a basic statistical calculation purpose we are using, as well as the data management purpose also. This software, the commonly researcher we are using. The next is this software used for the tables, for preparing the tables as well as the charts, graphs, and descriptive statistical purpose, and the suitable for small research project. If the sample size is very small or patient size 10, 20, 40, up to 40 patients easily, by using this Microsoft Excel software using, you can solve the whatever the data it is there, you can utilize. This is the first software. The another one is the SPSS. It is called Statistical Package for the Social Science. It is a very common software in the medical field, the medical research, the one of the most widely used statistical software in the medical research, and perform the descriptive as well as the inferential statistical analysis. Whatever the data we are collected, that for the analyzing the data or describing the data, what actually the data want to tell, as well as for inferential, that is the predicting the whatever the thing, that is also purpose we are using inferential statistical analysis. And it is user friendly with a manual driven interface. The simple is manual. This is a user friendly software, it is there. The next one is the R software. R software is a free as well as the open source statistical software. There is no need to pay here. That is a free source and used for the advanced statistical analysis and data visualization, and as well as for the machine learning. This software we are using in the research. The next one, widely used in the academic as well as the research institute, in the MD, MS as well as the PhD purpose. In the academic as well as the research institute, the commonly we are using the R software. The next one, fourth one, is the SAS, Statistical Analysis System. This is software is a we are using for the large scale. The if you are using the crude data, that is the sample size is very big, then we have to prefer this one, SAS software. This is a large scale. Commonly we are using clinical as well as the pharmaceutical research. The performs the data management. It is mainly using for the data management, statistical analysis, as well as the for the report generation. This software is helpful and commonly used for the epidemiology, how the disease is spread, epidemiology analysis purpose. This software SAS we are using in the medical field as well as in the research statistics. The next one is the Stata. This is a very common software starter in the medical field as well as the public health and epidemiological research strata software we are using. It performs the regression analysis. It means we get the value of the one variable, that is x variable, then we can predict the y variable value. For that purpose, for predicting purpose or regression analysis purpose, this software is we are using, that is strata software. Also the survival analysis purpose also this software we are using, and also data management, and suitable for clinical trials in the human beings. If you are giving new trial drugs, this is suitable, as well as for the observational study purpose also this strata software we are using. The next one is the sixth one, the GraphPad Prism. It is very commonly using in the publication as well as the preparing for the thesis as well as the for the PhD public research work publication purpose. Very commonly we are using. The name itself, it is given the graph. In that, commonly we are using for the preparing the high quality of the graph by using this software. Okay, GraphPad Prism. This is a popular biomedical and life science research purpose. This software we are using and used for the statistical analysis and preparation of high quality of the graph, and commonly used for comparing the experimental groups. Suppose if your trial drug is one and using along with the placebo or a standard drugs, for comparing purpose, if you are using the data, we have to utilize or utilizing this software, that is the GraphPad Prism software. We can easily analyze the result also. This is the Graph Prism. Now the last topic is the application in the Ayurveda. How these softwares we are applying or utilizing in the Ayurveda. So why it is necessary. First of all, analysis of clinical trial in the data. Whenever we are using the clinical trial, whenever we are giving the drugs to the human beings, for that purpose analyzing all these software we are using. The next one, evaluation of Ayurvedic drug efficacy, whether drug is effective or not. That is preclinical, post-clinical trial purpose also we are using all these softwares, as well as preparation for table, graphs and research reports. For preparing all that graphs and tables, we are utilizing these software, and also dissertation and thesis data analysis, whatever we are using in the MDMS as well as in the PhD for our dissertation works, thesis purpose. All these softwares we are using. Lastly, the evidence-based Ayurvedic research, whatever our ancestors told, acharyas told, for what those is converting into the evidence-based medicines by using these softwares. We are making the data into the evidence-based data. This is about the today's class of the commonly used statistical software. Hope you understood. If you understood, please like us and it will motivate us, and also share to your classmate and also subscribe. Thank you.